crazy. I've had racers with 35 years experience come out of the driver's donut shaking with adrenaline going, Parker, this is the funnest thing we've ever done. Can you please take this on racetracks? I'm like, no, because racing road would kill me. This is your driver's donut. Stay inside the boundary. You can follow your truck around as you've been doing so in practice. If you happen to flip upside down, you have a couple of choices. You can try to upright your truck at the expense of possibly a breakage. Or you can just stay there and be track hard until the heat's over. We have 3-lap heats and a 3 to 5 lap main event, all depending on how well y'all are racing. So drive smart, we race longer. It's on me! Oh my goodness, hold on. No. Because you can't, really? Trying to really get me right. Go! Well, oh, come on, Ripper! Oh, we got some track art. Oh! Oh no, no! The Land Cruiser's up! Come on, little FJ Cruiser, you got this! Nicely done!
I'm not beating you this year, buddy. I'm not taking you a second time.
We lost the Ripper! Oh!
Yeah.
Alright, we got first and second, still battling it out. Last lap. JK for a solid second place. Here's your first and second right here. Give him a big round of applause. Racers ready? Yeah. Go! Alright. Oh! The Comanche went wide. Has the lead, the early lead. Followed by the left J and the JK. Oh, the Ripper says he's hung up on something. Come on, Joker. Oh, my! Oh, out front! Oh, that's for a pass for the lead! We've got a battle going on. The Comanche, the JK, and the FJ are all doing work. And here comes the Joker. Oh, the Joker just got flipped. Oh, come on, little FJ. Yes, come on, you got it. Yeah. All right, going on the last lap. Comanche's out front. Followed by the JK and the Ripper's coming on strong. Let's go, Jokers. The Ripper seems to be a rock magnet. He's working his way past track art. Oh, he just become track art. Oh, the Ripper is upside down in the UK. Your Heat 2 winner. The Jeep Comanche, followed by the Jeep JK. Nicely
Should have left
done.
that brick in his boot.
Our top heat race qualifiers, we've enjoyed watching them so much, they're going to entertain us a little bit longer by starting in the back over here. So, give them a little bit of room. The rest of you, drive smart, keep the rubber side down. You've put on a great gallery of track art, but we want to see you finish. Racers ready? Yeah. Go! Yeah. Cherokee out front. That grocery dinner is leading the pack. Oh, the little FJ is back in second place. Oh, the FJ takes out the pass. Three laps. First lap. JK or Cherokee's out front, followed by the MJ, followed by the FJ. I will know my alphabets by the time this race is over. And the JK's in there too.
Thank you very much.
Nicely done. Nicely done. Thank you all. Continue your stage adventures. Be sure we'll see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. for a quick driver's meeting. Just for those that weren't in attendance. If you were in attendance today, please drive the stages.